guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to go through and do a unboxing of the Summer Fab Fit Fun box. If you are new to my channel, I would greatly appreciate if you'd hit that subscribe button and go ahead and give this video a like, because then it helps YouTube notice me just a little bit more. So I have already opened the box and taken everything out of its packaging with the exception of the big thing, because I wanted to make it a little quicker. Sometimes you want to see an unboxing, you want it to go now. Okay. So, inside the box you have a Zoya Ala ice roller, face and body ice roller. I had it in the fridge. Oh, so nice. Ooh, feels good. Feels really good. I put it in my refrigerator in the shop, and I think I'm going to really enjoy it. So, thank you. Zoe Ayla, A-Y-L-A. Okay, so this one is Grace and Stella, and it is Say Hi to Hydration. Hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. I put this on today underneath my makeup, and it is absolutely amazing. I love it. Grace and Stella, Say Hi to Hydration. That's the packaging for that one. Sorry. This one is from what is this from? It doesn't say. Hydropeptide. That's what it is. It's hydropeptide. It's a moisture reset. It's a facial oil, anti-wrinkle and restore. It is an oil, but it's not as oily as most of the other ones are. It's actually pretty decent. I like it. There's very, very little smell, if any at all. So I like that one. That's another thing about this one. There's almost no smell. No smell. Okay. This one is a universal brow pencil, and it is from Winky Lux. It's called a unibrow. It's a beautiful packaging. It's got a your eyeliner on one end and your spoolie on the other. I do want to show you this. It is almost like a triangle on the end, so it actually did pretty good. I did my eyebrows with it today, and I like it. I like it a lot, and it was perfect timing because I just finished my other one. There is Spongel hand cream, coconut verbena. Let's smell this one. I didn't smell it. This was just thrown in the box. They didn't have any packaging other than what's on the tube. Ooh, that smells nice. It is not a heavy cream. It is light. It is airy. It smells good. Trying to think. You know Mr. Bubble, when we were younger kids, we would take bubble baths with the Mr. Bubble in the pink box? It almost smells like that. It doesn't stay long because the scent is on its way out, but it's nice. And this one is Taroku Foot Cream, Silicon Blood Oranges. So let's smell this one. Oops, sorry, let me show you the packaging. Show you the packaging of this one. So these two, okay. It is summertime, sandal season. Foot season. Ooh, that one smells nice. That one smells really, really nice. And this one again is very light, very airy, and smells just like oranges. Just like you popped open an orange and you had it on your plate for your lunch, dinner, what have you. Get the lotion off my hands. Okay. This was one of the choices, and it is called the Giving Keys. It is a necklace, really pretty necklace in there. It is ending homelessness through employment. So if I'm reading this correctly, they have the homeless support jobs for people transitioning out of homelessness. Beautiful. Beautiful. Maybe it's something that I can wear all the time. And the last big thing, this was a very light box. You know, I've had a couple boxes now, and the other couple boxes I absolutely loved. I thought they were well worth the money. Excuse me. I thought it was well worth the money, and I thought that I was getting items that I know I can use. This box I love Fab Fit Fun, don't get me wrong. And yes, while the products may be well over $100, $150, I just don't think you hit it this time. I'm sorry. Okay, this is the last thing. This is the one thing that I am really, really, really excited about beside the brow pencil. And it is the handbag with this beautiful navy scarf. Actually, it's not a scarf, it's just a little ribbon tied around the handle, and it is by Draper and James. Draper James. It is everyday straw bag. It does have a snap at the top. Let's see, are there any pockets? There is a pocket on the inside. It's navy on the inside, which is nice because it won't show any stains, but on the flip side of that, it's hard to see things in a navy bag. So, given that, let's do this. It fits really good on the purse, on the shoulder. Fits good. I like the navy, so if you're carrying it like this, you have the navy. It's got a really wide bottom, so it's not, you know, a thin, narrow purse. I actually kind of like it. I'm excited. So the really big two things that I was really excited about is the brow pencil and the purse. There wasn't really a whole lot of choices for us to customize our box this time. And the choices that they did have, it was all lotions or facial serum or cream or what have you. There was really nothing else in there. There was no sunglasses. I mean, if there was sunglasses, it was with the bag. And I went in and customized on the very first day. The minute I got the email, I went straight in and customized. So I'm not really sure where Fab Fit Fun went wrong this time. I think if I continue on to do it next year, I will definitely probably skip the summer box, if possible. I don't know if that's possible, but I would love to find out. And if I do find out, I will let you know in the comments below. I will pin a post. So thank you for coming and enjoying this day with me. I would like to invite you to come back. I hope you have a very blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.